Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google News and signing into the correct account. This ensures your changes persist. Once signed in, tap or click the profile icon to reach settings quickly. You want personalization active because that enables topic and source adjustments. Make sure sync is on if you use multiple devices, and consider enabling location so local stories appear. Now proceed to the sections and following controls to tailor your feed to what matters. You now modify topics and sources to shape what appears. Tap follow on subjects you want more of and unfollow ones that clutter your feed. This trains the algorithm. Next, open the Sources menu to block outlets or mark favorites so they show higher. Once done, reorder your following list to prioritize topics. Make sure to use full coverage on stories you care about. This gives broader context and prevents repeated similar articles from filling your feed. Finish by refining preferences. Set language, region, and notification frequency so results match your intent. You can also clear search and watch history or reset personalization if the feed is still off. This retrains recommendations. If changes don't apply, update the app and restart, or sign out and back in to force a sync. One troubleshooting tip. If a specific source keeps reappearing, block it in Sources and then clear personalized data to remove cached influence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.